Very fast drawings. I don't know. Maybe I'll have to entice you with a carrot. Yeah, you definitely need a carrot. Come here. Come here. That's a nice mess. Cool. Let's do another one. I think he's gonna run for it. Chubby. No. You're gonna get into the webcam. Maybe over here. So that way I can get a different view. Blocking in patches of color for now. I'm not even doing anything else. Oh, Jubby, come on. Are you already done? No. Jubby, come here. That's a nice big chunk. That should keep you nice and happy. No. Jubby, look. What? Are you bored? I just gave you some celery. Remember? Oh, Jubby. Jubs, we gotta make sure you look like more than just a bunch of black blobs. Jubby, are you serious? Oh my god. Alright, carrot. Jubby, just let me get in some highlights. Are you done? I did get like, what, 3 gesture drawings out of you?